Welcome to Daily Dose of Parenting. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey, the incredible process of how babies learn to walk. From those first wobbly steps to confident strides, it's an amazing transformation to watch. We'll be exploring the key developmental milestones that pave the way for this incredible achievement. Think of it like renovating a house. You gotta build a strong foundation before you can add the walls and the roof. We'll break down each stage so you can understand how these little ones go from tiny bundles to walking adventurers. Just like a strong foundation is crucial for any structure, head control is the bedrock of your baby's physical development. It allows them to interact with the world around them, track objects, and engage with you. In those first few months, you'll notice your baby gradually gaining strength in their neck muscles. They'll start by lifting their head briefly during tummy time, eventually progressing to holding it up steadily. This journey typically unfolds around the 3 to 4 month mark, and it's a real game changer. It opens up a whole new world for your little one, allowing them to explore and interact in ways they couldn't before. Now, let's talk about tummy time. Think of it as your baby's first workout. It might seem simple, but those minutes on their belly are crucial for building the strength and coordination needed for all those exciting milestones ahead. Tummy time helps those neck, back, and shoulder muscles get stronger, prepping them for rolling, sitting, and eventually walking. It's also a fantastic way to encourage head control and prevent flat spots on the back of their head. Aim for several short sessions throughout the day, gradually increasing the time as your baby gets stronger. You'll be amazed at how quickly they progress. Rolling over is a major milestone. It's like your baby's first taste of freedom. It marks the beginning of independent movement and exploration. Typically, babies start to roll from their tummy to their back around 4 to 6 months. Then they'll master the back to tummy roll a little later. It's a joy to watch them figure it out, their little faces filled with determination and pride. This newfound mobility opens up a whole new world of play and exploration. They can reposition themselves, reach for toys, and start to interact with their environment in a whole new way. The ability to sit unsupported is a game changer. It's like giving your baby a front row seat to the world. They can see everything from a different angle, use their hands more freely, and engage with their surroundings in a whole new way. This milestone typically emerges around 6 to 8 months. You'll start to see them propping themselves up with their arms, gradually gaining the balance and stability to sit independently. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so don't worry if yours takes a little longer to master this skill. Crawling, it's the moment your baby truly becomes mobile. This incredible skill is about so much more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about exploration, discovery, and developing coordination, strength, and problem-solving skills. Babies typically start crawling around 7 to 10 months. Some may crawl on their hands and knees, while others develop their own unique style, like the classic army crawl or scooting on their bottoms. No matter how they do it, crawling is a major step towards independence and a sign that those little legs are getting ready for walking. Just like a vine climbing a trellis, your baby will start using their newfound strength to pull themselves up to a standing position. This exciting milestone typically emerges around 8 to 10 months and marks a major step toward walking. You'll see them grabbing onto furniture, your legs, or anything they can reach to hoist themselves up. This action strengthens their leg muscles, improves balance, and gives them a whole new perspective on their world. It's like they're reaching for new heights, literally and figuratively. Cruising is like walking with training wheels. Your baby will start shuffling sideways while holding onto furniture or walls, building those leg muscles and balance needed for independent steps. It's a beautiful sight to see them cruise around the house, exploring their surroundings with newfound confidence. They'll be testing their limits, figuring out how to shift their weight, and building the coordination needed for walking. Think of it as their personal practice run before the main event. There's nothing quite like the moment your baby lets go and stands confidently on their own 2 feet. It's a moment of pure triumph, a testament to their incredible journey of development. This milestone typically happens around 9 to 12 months. You'll see them testing the waters, letting go of support for a brief moment, and gradually extending the time they can stand independently. It's a thrilling stage filled with wobbles, giggles, and a whole lot of encouragement from you. Those first wobbly steps are a moment you'll cherish forever. It's the culmination of months of development, hard work, and determination. Most babies take their first steps between 9 and 15 months. It's a magical moment filled with excitement, pride, and a whole lot of awe moments. They'll start with tentative steps, gradually gaining confidence and speed as they master this new skill. Watching your baby learn to walk is an incredible experience. It's a testament to their resilience, curiosity, and the amazing things our bodies are capable of. Remember, every baby is unique and will reach these milestones at their own pace. Enjoy the journey, celebrate each step, and cherish these precious moments. Be sure to subscribe to Daily Dose of Parenting for more insights and tips on navigating the wonderful world of parenthood. We'll see you in the next video.